Have you ever walked into a space and felt like it whispered stories of crisp leaves, candlelit mysteries, and nostalgic warmth? That's exactly the emotion I aim to evoke in this year's fall home transformation. Welcome to my ultimate autumn sanctuary where spooky meets chic, and elegance dances effortlessly with affordability. This isn't just another pumpkin on the porch moment. It's a celebration of October magic, moody vibes, and Martha Stewart-worthy details without breaking the bank. Think haunted elegance a la Crimson Peak meets Target's dollar spot brilliance. A curated blend of gothic charm, cozy textures, and golden hues greets you in every corner, whispering fall fairy tales under a soft amber glow. The general concept behind this fall home tour was to embrace the spooky season not with the usual cliches but with a sophisticated twist. I wanted my home to feel cinematic, like stepping into a Tim Burton dreamscape, playful, slightly eerie, but always elevated. It's about layering, mood lighting, and striking that perfect harmony between cozy and haunting. Let's break it down room by room. In the entryway, I started with neutral-toned pumpkins and black taper candles in brass holders to create a dramatic welcome. The mirrors are adorned with faux cobwebs and antique frames featuring vintage Halloween illustrations, giving it a Victorian haunted house vibe, subtle, not kitschy. Moving into the living room, throws in burnt orange, deep plum, and charcoal gray bring instant warmth. I added an assortment of textured cushions, velvet, knit, and linen, all in autumnal tones. To anchor the look, a gallery wall featuring moody nature prints and minimalist bat silhouettes becomes the conversation starter. Soft fairy lights snake through dried eucalyptus garlands for an enchanting glow once the sun sets. The kitchen is where functionality meets flair. I switched out everyday dishware for ceramic mugs with raven motifs and replaced counter clutter with wooden cutting boards, amber jars, and cinnamon-scented candles. Even the fridge got a seasonal facelift. I used magnetic fall decals and left notes in the shape of autumn leaves. It's these small, intentional details that truly transform a space. Finally, in the bedroom, the mood is cinematic. I opted for flannel sheets in deep forest green and added a black lace throw for a hint of gothic romance. A few LED candles, a dried floral wreath above the bed, and a bowl of seasonal potpourri complete the transformation. It's where I unwind, journal, and binge over the garden wall on repeat. If you think creating a fall aesthetic like this requires a massive budget, think again. I sourced most pieces from thrift shops, local artisans, and budget-friendly retailers like IKEA and Home Goods. It's about creativity, layering, and understanding the power of lighting and textures. Now, I'd love to know, what's your must-have fall decor element that instantly makes your home feel like autumn?